I'm checking out these jigsaw shaped acoustic panels from SonicLight. These are going to be a great addition in here in my workshop because, well, I create a lot of noise in here. I also do a lot of recording in here, and these will help to make the recordings better because it will cut down on echoes and other noises. I'm going to put these on this wall here behind me. I'm setting up a CNC and laser bay here, so I'm going to be over here doing videos a lot more often, and this will help absorb some of that sound that I don't want getting into my videos. The other perk about putting it here is on the other side of this wall is my son's bedroom, and putting the acoustic paneling here will help to reduce the sound going through that wall into his bedroom. So first thing I need to do is get my table out of the way and get the wall wiped down and cleaned up, and then get these installed. Here we go. Now, if you want to shape them a certain way, you can cut these little pieces off, which is what I'm going to do to a couple of them, because I'm going to put it right here up against the top. So I'm going to cut these flush and move those pieces into another spot. I got the black ones all installed, and as you can see, I needed another box. So I decided to mix some things up and get the white version. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rearrange this a little bit and mix in some of the white and see how that looks. And it'll give my wall a little more coverage. So first things I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this one down. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to, and the stick still works. So that's the other concern. There we go, so that one's up. Yeah, it left some of the adhesive on there. So these have got some really good adhesive on them. So you definitely don't want to do what I'm doing and make that mistake. Like I said, we're gonna mix the light in like this. Now, my sound wall is pretty much complete. I can move my laser and CNC table right here. This is really gonna help with that CNC sitting right here, because those CNC routers do make a lot of noise. This will help keep some of that out of my house and reduce the sound in my shop a little bit. So I'm glad I got these. It's fun, white, black pattern. You can get creative on your designs and how you set up the puzzle. These are some great, easy to install sound paneling, so check these out.